Do you believe that God can do anything?
Great question. I believe God can do anything, but he has restrained himself from certain things out of his honor and glory. For example, the Bible says God cannot lie, right? So it's not that he doesn't have the ability, it's that it would be beneath his honor and glory. It's like saying, can God create a rock he can't lift? Well, obviously God is all capable, so that paradigm doesn't make sense. God, to make a rock he can't lift would be like a square circle, meaning God can do anything.
In the Bible it says his ways are not our ways and
True.
whatnot. So at the same time, how can we limit God to not being able to do these things just because it doesn't logically make sense to us?
I see what you're saying. But I do believe that the core principle of a religion should be understood by a people to believe in it. Does that make sense, right? Like, meaning if I told you a monkey is God, and you would be like, that doesn't make sense. A monkey throws poop, right? And you'd be like, no, it's a mystery. Don't ask. Like, that's wrong, right? Obviously, we could agree that monkey is not God.
Right.
And that would make no sense that somebody who throws poop at you is God. So, again, the greatness of God can never be fully comprehended by us. I'll agree with you on that. But if God is all-powerful and all-knowing, and that is from the qualities of God that I think we would both agree that he is all-powerful and all-knowing, and Jesus wasn't all-powerful and all-knowing, I clearly see that as him not being God. For example, let me ask you a question. Can God be a servant of anybody?
I would say no.
Okay, good. So in the Bible...
I actually agree with you that he is not God.
Woohoo! All right, we're making progress. All right, so here in the Bible, for example, in Acts, it says, the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, the God of our fathers, glorified his servant, Jesus. So Jesus being a servant of God isn't God, right?
Right.